So Allah has His plan. Allah has done the mathematics. Allah created this universe and planned everything out for the existence of human beings. Allah knows how many souls will come into this world, and Allah knows how many human beings will be in this world. Whether you plan contraceptive, abortion, and don't have children, if Allah wants X amount of souls to live in this world, Allah will find other human beings to deliver them. You want some proof of that? Let's do two evidence. I don't want you to leave here and say, what is Shaikh Shafayat saying? Allah made Jesus, peace be upon him, born in this world without a man touching Mary. See it? He made a soul, a human being, come forth in this world. Maryam alayhi salatu wasalam, go check chapter 19 of the Quran. Without even a man touching her, she gave birth to a baby. So if Allah wants a child to be born in this world, He can get it done without a man touching a woman, as He did with Jesus, peace be upon him. And the world accepts that, and the world believes that. Okay, let's go to Pharaoh. Pharaoh wanted to kill all the boys. Don't we read the Quran, the Torah, the Psalms? Pharaoh's plan was to kill all new boys, all baby boys, newborn boys. What that meant? What did he mean by that? No production. Because the boys will cause the multiplication. And what did Allah do? This little boy was born, even though Pharaoh had his soldiers going and killing all these babies all over. This little baby boy was born. And where did that baby boy grow up? In Pharaoh's kingdom. The very man that wanted to kill this boy, the boy grew up in his kingdom. If Allah wants human beings to exist, nobody, not even Pharaoh, and no kings, and no governments, because no government in these days could be as powerful as Pharaoh was. Powerful man. Yeah. And Allah taught him, and Allah taught us the lesson that if Allah wants a human being to be alive, nobody can stop it. And it was a disgrace and slap in the face of Pharaoh that the very same baby boy that he did not want to be born was brought up, grown up in his own house. See how Allah did it?